Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cosmic Collectibles. I am Eureka, the loving spirit, and we are going to be talking about Rainbow Loom today, guys. Rainbow Loom. Okay, so I go to the craft store all the time, and I ended up going to Michael's. I decided that when I went out, like, for just to meet this person from Marketplace, right? I seen that there was a Michael's in the neighborhood, and I was like, I'm gonna go see what they have, and I wanted to window shop, which you will see if you're watching my channel, then you've already seen the previous video that I'm talking about. So it was so much fun vlogging in the store. It was absolutely 100% fun. It was so much fun. But it was crazy because I've been seeing this a lot going to the craft store. So, shout out to Kelly Prepster Studio. She is so freaking informative. She ended up doing a video about the Auto Loom, which is not coming out until 2025. But when I seen it, I was like, oh, that's really cool. But I never, ever heard of Rainbow Loom before that. So, long story short, I'm in Michael's, right? And I'm not supposed to be buying anything. But I thought about some crafts that I can do with my daughter. And I thought it'd be so nice. So I ended up doing my first bracelets, which I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. So I ended up buying a kit. And this was only $4, believe it or not. Okay, it already comes with the rubber bands. And as you can see, I did mine at the top. I will show you guys in a second. I also bought some extra ones. They're multicolor, but it's still Rainbow Loom. I was very, very excited because I did not know what I was doing. And it was funny because it reminds me so much of I think this is the Speed Loom, if I'm not mistaken. No, this is Bead Emoji. Yeah, it's Bead Emoji, but I think, yeah, this is called the Speed Loom. This little trusty device right here. That is the Speed Loom. So I ended up, I'm going to show y'all the first bracelet that I made. The first bracelet that I made was this one. So as you can see, I don't know what I'm doing, right? But as you can see, right here, it got thin. I don't know what happened, but it just got really thin. And I was like, oh no, I did it wrong. So yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna keep trying. So I ended up doing this one. Hold on, let me show you guys. I ended up doing this one, which I started to add like the charms and like vibes on there. It has hugs on there. It has silly. So I like that. I like that a lot. And then I ended up making these. And this is from the original color that it came with. But this is my first time, guys. Like this is like a overnight situation where I'm just like, I'm not saying like I'm obsessed, but I'm just saying though, I may have a new obsession on how to make bracelets. But yeah, I thought they were so cool. So let's make some bracelets, man. Let's make some bracelets. And then I cannot find the piece. Dude, it's a piece that came with it, but my kids keep taking it. And it's a piece that came with it. I'm just like, but we can't find it right now. So I think I'm going to use these colors because you can actually see them on the camera. And then after we're done with that one, I might make a couple fall bracelets with you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so like my setup on my bed is kind of like it's kind of like crazy right now. But we're going to. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. So I'm gonna put all those right here. I'm gonna put this color right here, but we're gonna use this color. So I don't know if you guys can see. That's what you can. So it's a cute purple, blue, pink color. And so how we're going to start this off is we're going to start off with this. I think I'm going to start off with 8 first. So you're going to turn it into an 8. Like that. Okay. Down on there. Like an 8. And then you're gonna put 2 over at the top. Then you can use your fingers and you can use the tool. I like using the tool because it's more efficient. So you want to take the bottom part and go over the top. Take the bottom piece and go over the top and make it like that, right? So like how it's like crisscross. Let's see that. You're going to add. I think it looks so cool if it was on just one foot right there. You're going to add. You're going to do it all over again. And then you pull it down, right? Let's start off with this. And it should start looking like that.
You got chicken.
Yeah, I see the chicken.
Yeah. Mom, you died.
Oh, well, the remote in the party wasn't. Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, Dad. Whoop.
You gotta keep it in the wall.
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Maybe you should sit down on the floor.
No.
Put a pillow on the floor.
Wow.
Yeah, that way you can be close to
I'm
the
gonna put it
charger.
in.
Okay.
Okay. Mom, I got chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got chocolate. Maybe elbow.
Oh, crap. What am I doing?
Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I need it. Oh, yeah. Mom, I got two more.
So unfortunately, I cannot put like the other little like charms and stuff on there because I cannot find that little piece. But this is what I made, and I love it. Go Rainbow Loom. Okay. Feeling like a little girl. Okay. But yeah, I'm so excited about the Rainbow Loom. That is so freaking exciting. Yeah, so if you like videos like this, drop a comment below. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Super, super, super excited to share this with you guys because I'm like absolutely obsessed. I'm obsessed with the two little tools. Okay, because I made like 5 of these. I made 5. And then look, so cute with the little charms on there. I even seen the best friend one where they have like the little charms that you can like hang on the outside of the bracelet. But I'm really, really loving this. I'm super excited to kind of like look up to see what other like ideas and like just order just like little rubber bands and stuff. I'm excited. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. Okay. And thank you guys so much just for, you know, just supporting my channel, supporting my business. Be sure also to check out my website, cosmiccollectibles.bigcartel.com. That will also be in the description as well. Thank you guys so much, and you have a great day.